No, he's gonna make it.
T'es gonflé, hein. Don't fucking look at me.
I'm about spending spring break anywhere other than this tiny bed.
Been entertaining us in the studio for about 50.
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.
Mom. He smells it.
Не надо.
I wanna pet. What? No, they are my chicken nuggets. You're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Honey, tap. No.
Ah! Oh!
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please. Are you okay?
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Блять, а я схватил... You're done.
Bruh.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna...
I know you're about to bite me. No.
Get off my car.
Careful.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at. He's only been a doggy.
Oh, shut.
You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
Shark, you hungry?
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat. What are you doing? Oh no.
I need my referral so I can book the appointment.
Do that.
What a tease.
Can I have my noodles?
ошибешь.
Just gonna make it.
Y'all, he closed the cat in the kennel.
Whoa!
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
How about we just like.
Okay, alright.
Been entertaining us in the studio for about 15.
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, live the king.